Imagine a place on Earth where ships vanish without a trace, planes disappear from the radar, and compasses go haywire. A place that has terrified sailors, pilots, and even scientists for centuries. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, the infamous stretch of ocean where mysteries unfold and theories run wild. But is it really supernatural? Or is there a scientific explanation behind these baffling disappearances? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into the latest research and unraveling the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle. And stick around until the end for a shocking bonus tip you won't want to miss. For decades, the Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has captured the world's imagination, covering roughly 500,000 square miles of the North Atlantic Ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This area has been linked to the unexplained disappearances of hundreds of ships and aircraft. Some believe it's cursed, others blame extraterrestrials, and then there are those who argue that natural forces are at play. But what does the latest scientific research say? 1. Methane gas hydrate theory, a potential scientific explanation. One of the most intriguing studies on the Bermuda Triangle comes from researchers at Arctic University in Norway, who discovered giant craters on the ocean floor caused by sudden methane gas eruptions. Methane hydrates, or frozen methane gas, exist in large quantities beneath the seafloor. When these pockets of gas destabilize, they erupt violently, creating massive bubbles that rise to the surface. If such an event were to occur in the Bermuda Triangle, a ship in the area could suddenly lose buoyancy and sink without warning. This could explain why some vessels vanish so quickly, leaving no distress signals or debris. 2. Unusual rogue waves, an oceanic phenomenon. Another recent study from the University of Southampton sheds light on a terrifying oceanic force rogue waves. These massive, unpredictable waves can reach heights of over 100 feet and are capable of sinking even the sturdiest ships in seconds. Scientists believe that the Bermuda Triangle's unique location, where multiple ocean currents converge, makes it a hotspot for these rogue waves. If a ship encounters one of these mammoth waves, it could capsize instantly, leaving no survivors and very little evidence behind. 3. Magnetic anomalies and compass malfunctions. A third recent discovery by NASA and NOAA scientists focuses on the region's unusual magnetic fields. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align in a way that can cause navigational instruments to behave erratically. In 2022, researchers mapped the geomagnetic fluctuations in the area and found that strong magnetic pulses could interfere with compasses and GPS systems, causing pilots and sailors to become disoriented. This might explain why so many aircraft and ships have lost their way, leading to tragic accidents. Famous disappearances. These scientific explanations are compelling, but they don't erase the eerie history of the Bermuda Triangle. Let's look at some of the most famous cases that have fueled its legend. Flight 19, the Vanishing Squadron. One of the most famous disappearances occurred in 1945 when a squadron of 5 US Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, vanished during a routine training mission. The flight leader reported compass malfunctions and disorientation before all 5 planes disappeared. Even more baffling, a rescue plane sent to find them also vanished without a trace. The USS Cyclops, the ghost ship. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship with over 300 people on board, disappeared without a distress signal. To this day, no wreckage has ever been found. Some believe a sudden storm or a rogue wave was responsible, while others think something far more mysterious happened. The Star Tiger and Star Ariel vanished without a trace. To British airliners, Star Tiger in 1948 and Star Ariel in 1949 both disappeared mid-flight while flying over the Bermuda Triangle. No distress calls, no wreckage, just gone. Could rogue waves, magnetic anomalies, or even methane gas bursts have played a role? Now, While these disappearances are undeniably strange, some experts argue that the Bermuda Triangle's reputation is exaggerated. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) states that, statistically, the number of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other heavily traveled areas of the ocean. Many accidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle could be explained by human error, severe weather, or mechanical failure. So, while the legend of the Bermuda Triangle persists, science suggests there may not be anything supernatural about it. Before we wrap up, here's a chilling fact you probably didn't know: the Bermuda Triangle sits near one of the most powerful oceanic trenches in the world, the Puerto Rico Trench. This trench is nearly 27,500 feet deep, making it one of the deepest points in the Atlantic Ocean. Some scientists believe that shipwrecks and plane crashes in the Bermuda Triangle may be found simply because the ocean floor is so deep and rugged that debris sinks beyond detection. In other words, the triangle doesn't just make things disappear, it swallows them whole. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a paranormal hotspot? Or is it just another part of the ocean with extreme weather, magnetic anomalies, and dangerous underwater features? The latest research suggests that natural explanations, such as methane gas eruptions, rogue waves, and geomagnetic disturbances, may be responsible for the region's mysterious reputation. What do you think? Do you believe science has solved the mystery? Or is there something more to the legend of the Bermuda Triangle? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.